Hey, I'm Julia from Julia Outfit, and welcome back. Today we're serving confident, modern style for men over 50. 20 complete outfit combinations that feel lived in, effortless, and undeniably polished. I'll walk you through each look, why it works, and little styling notes you can steal right away. Classic navy blazer, white shirt, gray wool trousers, brown brogues. A timeless navy blazer lifts the whole look. The crisp white shirt keeps it clean, and brown brogues add warmth, making this perfect for dinners or smart casual meetings. Cashmere crew neck, dark denim, Chelsea boots, leather watch. A soft cashmere crew pairs with dark denim for refined ease, while Chelsea boots and a leather watch finish the outfit with quiet, sophisticated authority. Olive field jacket, striped Breton tee, khaki chinos, desert boots. This outdoorsy meets urban combo uses muted olive and stripes for personality. Khaki chinos keep it relaxed, and desert boots give comfortable all-day traction. Charcoal overcoat, turtleneck, slim wool pants, cap-toe Oxfords. A charcoal overcoat and turtleneck create clean vertical lines that slim the silhouette, and cap-toe Oxfords bring formal balance for winter city errands or the office. Lightweight linen shirt, tailored shorts, loafers, sunglasses. For warm weather polish, a breathable linen shirt with tailored shorts reads grown-up and intentional. Loafers and sunglasses finish it with Mediterranean ease. Brown leather jacket, white Oxford, dark jeans, minimal sneakers. The brown leather jacket injects rugged charm, while a white Oxford keeps it tidy. Dark jeans and clean sneakers make this outfit approachable and modern. patterned sport coat, solid knit polo, tapered trousers, monk straps. A subtle patterned sport coat gives visual interest without shouting. The knit polo keeps things casual, and monk straps elevate the whole ensemble for evening plans. Gray suit, black turtleneck, Chelsea boots, pocket square. Swapping a shirt for a black turtleneck modernizes a gray suit, keeping the look sleek and slightly unexpected. A pocket square provides a refined, personal touch. Quilted vest, flannel shirt, raw denim, rugged boots. Layering a quilted vest over a flannel shirt creates texture and warmth. Raw denim grounds the outfit, and rugged boots finish with practical, masculine energy. Lightweight bomber, Henley, chinos, slip-on sneakers. A lightweight bomber jacket paired with a Henley delivers sporty sophistication. Chinos balance smart and casual, and slip-on sneakers keep the vibe relaxed and travel-ready. Camel overcoat, navy suit, brown derby shoes, leather belt. A camel overcoat over a navy suit produces high contrast refinement. Brown derby shoes and a matching belt make the combination cohesive and effortlessly office appropriate. Cable knit sweater, corduroy trousers, chukka boots, scarf. A cable knit sweater over soft corduroy trousers reads cozy but composed, and chukka boots plus a scarf bring autumnal texture and practical warmth to weekend outings. Double-breasted blazer, patterned shirt, slim jeans, Chelsea boots. A double-breasted blazer adds structure, while a patterned shirt keeps personality. Slim jeans modernize the silhouette, and Chelsea boots maintain polished nonchalance.
under lightweight blazer, drawstring trousers, minimal leather sneakers. Wearing a polo under a lightweight blazer is smart without stifling comfort. Drawstring trousers at ease. And leather sneakers keep it tidy yet casual.
Field coat, mock neck sweater, tailored cargo pants, lace-up boots. A tailored field coat layered over a mock neck sweater gives rugged refinement. Cargo pants remain smartly cut, and lace-up boots ensure durability and style. Monochrome black outfit, jacket, tee, trousers, leather boots. All black simplifies dressing while looking striking. Textured fabrics prevent flatness, and leather boots anchor this look with minimalist, confident energy. Pastel shirt, light gray suit, white length sneakers, sleeve belt. A pastel shirt brightens a light gray suit for daytime events, white sneakers modernize formal wear, and a slim belt keeps proportions neat and intentional. Navy raincoat, technical polo, dark chinos, waterproof boots. A navy raincoat keeps the silhouette neat even in bad weather. A technical polo offers breathable comfort. Dark chinos read smart. And waterproof boots are practical and handsome. Tweed sport coat, wool vest, dress shirt, corduroy slacks, brogues. Tweed layering blends heritage texture with modern tailoring. The wool vest adds warmth and refinement, while corduroy slacks and brogues complete a thoughtful, autumn-ready look. Relaxed suit, graphic tee, slip-on loafers, minimal jewelry. A relaxed suit paired with a tasteful graphic tee blends youthfulness and maturity. Slip-on loafers and subtle jewelry keep the outfit approachable and fashion-forward.